Hello, AV Nation. How are we today? I'm Ryan with the Rugby Opinion here, and welcome to my Hurricanes versus Moana Pasifika prediction. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Guys, I'm predicting a 55-0 thrashing by the Hurricanes against Moana. Why? The Hurricanes, apart from last week in round 10, they've been on fire recently. Look for them to be potent on attack, especially with guys like Kenny Naholo and Daniel Sinkinson. So later, I'll also highlight later. So look for Naholo and Sinkinson to score many tries in this one. And also look out for my matchup of this match, which is Julian Severe up against Peter Umaga-Jensen. Peter Umaga-Jensen, although being in and out of the 23, will be saying, "Look, Clark, I want to start." Clark being Clark Gradle, the Hurricanes coach. So look for him to make a statement. While Julian Severe, apart from missing the Chiefs game, he has been equally phenomenal recently as well, with his recent performance being against the Reds. Also look for him to lead the Moana backline around the field alongside William Harvey. To the teams this week, and the Canes have made a record 11 changes from the team that lost to the Blues last time out. Look for Daniel Sinkinson, who is making his first start of the season, to be more than fired up to show his wares and for him to make a statement and book himself a starting spot heading into the final 2 games of the regular season. Yes, guys, we've only got 2 games left of the regular season to go, and I will also do this in my other predictions, so look out for that. And guys, I'm really looking forward to the battle of the wingers. We've got Neria Formay up against Daniel Sinkinson and Fine Anisi up against Kenny Naholo. So look out for those 2 matchups as well as the one I highlighted earlier. Guys, I'm pretty much gonna say this off by heart, but the Hurricanes are no match for Moana, as they sit second and Moana probably by the time they play this round, we'll be sitting around 14th or 15th. Anyway, that's me done. I will give a more in-depth opinion in the description, so look out for that. And yeah, guys, adios, and see you tomorrow for the other 3 predictions. Cheers.